Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel, Magical Bombshell. As always, guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And happy St. Patrick's Day, guys. I'm doing this look for you. If you want to see how to get it, go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows with the little bit of eyebrow pencil that I had left. I did also put my NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil on my lid and pack that down with a little bit of setting powder. Before I go in with my colors, I am going to be using my 39L Hit the Lights Morphe palette. I'm going into the color Out Late. It is this neon green color right here. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that, not entirely into my crease, more into my upper crease, just to not necessarily be my transition color because it's neon, of course, but it's just going to be like my glow. So I guess, yeah, you can see, put it in my crease. And if you want to make it a little bit more neon or bright, just pack it in. See how it's brightening that color there? We're going to be darkening it with a darker green, but I want my glow to be very neon, so that's what we're working with right now. It looks a little patchy on camera just because my lighting is a little off, but like that, you can kind of see how it's blended out a little bit. The lines aren't as harsh as they're looking on the camera, but I can soften them up after I'm done with all my other colors. I don't want to be blending away too much, just because, like I said, I want it to be very neon-y. So I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics 88 color matte eyeshadow palette into this dark green right here, and I'm just going to be placing that into my inner corner. I mean, not inner corner, that's going to be going straight into my crease. Going back in with my fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be blending that out. And I am going to go back in a little bit right away with that color Out Late and just go over the color I just added from the BH Cosmetics palette and soften that up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that NYX Jumbo pencil. I'm just gonna basically shape out my crease right away. And I also went ahead and did it to my under eye. I know I look crazy right now. It's all for a reason. So I'm gonna take my little flat brush and just basically shape out that crease. I'm going to do the same thing to my under eye as well. And I'm just basically smoothing it, the edges, that way it isn't so harsh when I actually put the eyeshadow on it. And as you guys know, I like to use my finger and just warm up that corner so it's not so harsh. I'm gonna do the same with my under eye. So see how much softer this is compared to that crazy eye? Not so crazy eye, like, maybe something's coming out of that. We're about to see right now. I do want my inner corner to be a little bit brighter. So I'm just gonna pop that on there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the color Insomniac. It is in the 39L Morphe Hit the Lights palette. It's this shimmery goldish green color right there. And I'm gonna pick that up with the flat-ended side of my brush and basically just pack that all over my lid. And I'm gently just feathering it out to the edge where that where I put that NYX pencil. I am gonna go back with that darker green color and just darken that, darken the outer corner. Okay, so I want the underneath of my eye to be a little bit more neon than how my glow was up here. So I am going in with that neon again. What was it called? Out Late from the 39L Morphe Hit the Lights palette. And I'm just gonna be basically lining the corner right there. And I'm gonna go back in with that fluffy brush and I'm gonna pick up that dark green color from the BH Cosmetics 80 matte palette. I'm just gonna gently go over right here and blur out that corner. Okay, and then last but not least, I am going to go in with my little flat brush into my mermaid glitter palette, into this little glitterish green color right here, and I'm going to pop that into my inner corner. And then just gently tapping that, blending the glitter a little bit into my under eye. I am going to go back in and I'm just going to pick that same green color up and blend it into my lower lid and just leave the glitter down there, and then put some more of that Insomniac color back on my inner corner just to fix it. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with that flat brush, go back in with the color Insomniac, and basically just blend that back out like so. Bam. Okay, I'm gonna go do eyeliner, eyelashes, and my face, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I went ahead and did my face, my highlighter. I didn't put that much foundation on today just because don't feel like it. Went ahead and did my lips, put on the eyelashes and some eyeliner, and this is the last look. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you guys for watching.